Lingering floodwaters making a mess in our communities. How it could impact your commute for another day.
Measles outbreak cases are spreading across Philadelphia. We are talking to health experts about just how easy it spreads.
And new and dramatic video of a water rescue after this week's major storm. We'll talk to the guy that had to be rescued from this tree surrounded by raging water.
Those stories and more on today's edition of The Lineup. It is Thursday, January 11th, 2024.
The Lineup is brought to you by TD Bank, America's most convenient bank.
Hi, everyone. I'm NBC 10's Keith Jones.
And I'm NBC 10's Erin Coleman. Let's get you up to speed with what you need to know today, starting with the water. It is slowly coming down on some of the most heavily traveled roads in our area.
But as NBC 10's Gyllenhaal shows us, parts of Kelly Drive are still closed because of the mess all that water created.
Yeah, this feels like it keeps happening. Last month, 2 times Kelly Drive was closed, and then yesterday closed because of yet another flooding event. As you can see behind me, crews are working to clear the mud and debris. While the Schuylkill River has lowered, it's no longer on the road, but still at elevated levels. The Schuylkill crested at 12 feet yesterday, enough to send water into low-lying areas of the Schuylkill Trail and Kelly Drive. And this kind of thing has happened twice in December as well, these rare winter rainstorms, and we could be on tap for yet another minor flooding event on Friday. It all leaves people who live here annoyed and wondering, is this happening more often?
Every time it rains really hard, it's just flooding like this. So, I mean, what else can you do? I mean, unless you got to redo the roads, but that's probably not going to happen.
Yeah, the river levels are back down below flood stage. We'll see what happens Friday with even more rain coming as these water department crews are trying to clear all the debris and get this road back open for commuters. For now, we're in East Falls. Randy Gyllenhaal, NBC 10 News.
Delaware County first responders had their hands full during this week's severe storm.
Yeah, there were 2,000 calls to 911, 27 rescues too, but one of the most dangerous rescues was caught on camera. Look at this.
How long you been in the tree?
We talked to firefighters, and the guy who was trapped in that tree in Upper Chichester about what happened Tuesday night. 20-year-old Joel Bryant was up there near Riviera Road and Flora Lane. What's normally a creek? Look at that, looked more like a raging river below him.
The current that goes with that is sweeping between your legs and everything else. It could take you and sweep you, so it's actually very dangerous to go into the water.
What do you want to say to them for coming to your aid yesterday?
I think it's a great thing. I nearly died. It was a stupid thing to do.
Got a sense of humor about it, at least, right? Bryant tells NBC 10 he went to investigate a fire, but quickly got stuck in that water, which was deeper than he thought. The firefighters who came to his rescue were honored at the Aston Fire Department. They were able to get to him within 3 minutes of that 911 call. Amazing. And so glad nobody was hurt, you know? In South Jersey, as many as 100 drivers found themselves stranded, all because of the floods, because of bad fuel.
Bad gas. Car after car broke down along Admiral Wilson Boulevard yesterday. All of them right after visiting a Conoco gas station. Drivers thought they'd just gas up and be off, but their cars immediately stalled out, possibly after floodwaters contaminated the underground gas tanks.
As soon as I pulled off and went up the ramp, it started putting. Some said, pull over. So I pulled over. The car radio stuff was still going on. I'm like, something wrong here.
As soon as I left here, I see all the cars going up Camden High Bridge, all broke down.
Yep.
All of them broke down.
Yep.
And then mine did the same thing, completely shut off.
The gas station is closed for now. Camden officials are investigating what happened. Drivers who think they also got contaminated gas there should call Camden's Division of Weights and Measures. Can you imagine that? How
awful.
Frustrating. A new measles outbreak in Philadelphia has health officials and parents on alert. They have a new warning for everyone who is not immune.
NBC 10's Matt DeLucia has the message health officials want everyone to take seriously.
Well, there are 8 confirmed cases in the city of Philadelphia at this point, and even with the incubation period, it lasts several weeks. And so the Philadelphia Health Department says that we are not going to be out of the woods for quite some time. Still, the Philadelphia Health Commissioner says that all the traces can be traced back to specific exposures. The message, though, that they're trying to send is for everyone to take this seriously. Now, measles had been eliminated more than 20 years ago, but Dr. Paul Offit from the Vaccine Education Center at CHOP says it is back because a good number of children, about 7% in the city, have not been vaccinated.
I think what it may take is measles has to some extent come back
the parents have to once again see how serious this virus can be. And then and only then, when they fear it because they've seen it, will they get their children vaccinated. I hope it doesn't come to that.
We both have older kids who are in daycare, so I am just hopeful that everyone's immunized who goes there.
Now, the health department has put a list of locations and dates online where exposures may have happened, and they are encouraging everyone who has been told that they've been exposed and who is not immune to quarantine and follow the directions from the health department. So again, the number is 8 at this point in the city of Philadelphia. They don't want that number to get any higher than that. In Center City, I'm Matt DeLucia, NBC 10 News.
Thanks. For this 4th straight January, we find ourselves still dealing with COVID cases on the rise.
The CDC says levels of COVID in wastewater across the country are higher than they've seen since the first Omicron wave. That was in 2021. The good news is severe outcomes of the virus we saw in the early days of the pandemic are a lot more rare. Hospitalizations and deaths also remain lower than previous years. The bad news is, well, the virus appears to be here to stay.
Hey, the road to victory for the Eagles is a long one. What you could win, I should say, if they go all the way and take home the Lombardi Trophy this year.
We're back in 30 seconds. Don't go away.
Here we go.
Here I go again on my own. Introducing the all-new TD Clear credit card with no late fees and no interest. Just a simple monthly fee. That's predictability, even when expenses aren't.
$4? That's bananas.
It's a pear. Oh, man.
The all-new TD Clear credit card. That's how credit can be unexpectedly human. Call 1-844-TD-CLEAR for details about credit costs and terms.
Hey, we got some major sports news coming down today.
It's crazy. Bill Belichick era in New England is over. Belichick and the Patriots have mutually agreed to part ways, according to multiple reports. It ends a 24-year run as head coach of the Patriots. That unprecedented run saw crazy, unprecedented success. 6 Super Bowl wins. It also ends after the worst season in Belichick's coaching career, the Patriots, with an ugly 4-13 2023 season. That span of time also involves a near undefeated season where they lost in the Super Bowl. Speaking of Super Bowl losses, it involves a 2018 Super Bowl loss to a certain Philadelphia Eagles squad.
Fly, Eagles, fly.
Yeah, but still, listen, credit where it's due. 6 Super Bowls with them, 2 with the Giants in the late 80s. It's crazy, the run that he's had as a coach. Speaking of which, another legendary and remarkable career calling it an end. University of Alabama's head coach Nick Saban calling it a career.
Yeah, tributes to the powerhouse coach are popping up all over Bama's campus after news of his retirement. Saban took over as head coach at Bama in 2007, won 6 national titles since then, including one with the Eagles' own Jalen Hurts. Under Saban, Alabama had 44 players drafted in the first round. That's more than the 29 total losses the school had under his regime. Popeyes wants football fans to cheer on the Eagles. The fast food chain plans to give away free wings to everyone if an NFL team with a winged mascot wins the Super Bowl. Right now, that means the Eagles and the Baltimore Ravens are both in play.
Yeah, you have one team playing really, really well and one team playing terribly that we hope can turn it around.
But we're going to get it together. We are going to get it together. And listen, today's the day that the Birds need you to come out in full force with your support. The Eagles Road to Victory bus tour is going to cruise through your area today. You can cheer on the Birds as they get ready to for another playoff run. The first stop, 11 a.m., Conshohocken. The bus then moves to Haverstown, Westmont, and Center City. So come on, guys. No more broken winged memes or whatever. All right, it's a new clean slate.
Social media, oh my God.
That's what Fletcher Cox said. You know what? Hey, it's a clean slate now, 0-0 playoffs.
Yeah, you'd hope that the rest of the team shares that attitude too. That's a veteran mentality too, right? Like you get in and anything can happen.
Flip this way. I am telling you, they need to bring back the dog masks.
The old coaches who they got to bring back.
Wow.
That's what they got to do.
Yeah, they knew what was up. That does it. For today's edition of The Lineup.
That does it. For Erin Coleman, I'm Keith Jones. Remember, you can get NBC 10 News updates right here on the NBC 10 app. Catch us weekday mornings, by the way, from 4 to 7 a.m. Have a great day.
See you guys.